In this video, we're embarking on a thrilling exploration of the Sunshine State, Florida. Uncovering the ultimate destinations for a perfect 3-day getaway. Join us as we traverse the diverse landscapes. From sun-kissed beaches to vibrant cityscapes. Immersing ourselves in the essence of relaxation and adventure. Discover hidden gems along the Gulf Coast. Indulge in the electrifying atmosphere of Miami's bustling streets. Or escape to the tranquility of Florida's lush natural parks. Whether you're craving a rejuvenating beach retreat, an exhilarating urban escape, or an enchanting encounter with nature, Florida has it all. So, buckle up and get ready to embark on a whirlwind journey through the top 3-day vacation spots in the Sunshine State. Fantastic destinations to consider. Key West is well known for its vibrant atmosphere, beautiful beaches, and historic sites. Key West is an excellent choice for a short getaway. You can explore Duval Street for its lively nightlife. Visit the Ernest Hemingway Home and Museum. Or simply relax on the picturesque beaches. Don't miss the opportunity to catch the sunset celebration at Mallory Square. Miami offers a perfect blend of culture, entertainment, and relaxation. Spend your days soaking up the sun on South Beach, exploring the Art Deco architecture in the historic district, or indulging in delicious cuisine at one of the city's many restaurants. Miami also boasts a thriving nightlife scene, with plenty of clubs and bars to enjoy after dark. Orlando great if you're traveling with family. It is an ideal destination for an Easter getaway. Visit Walt Disney World Resort or Universal Studios Florida for unforgettable theme park experiences. You can also explore other attractions like SeaWorld Orlando or Discovery Cove. Additionally, Orlando offers excellent dining options and shopping opportunities for a well-rounded vacation experience, no matter which destination you choose. Before you forget, subscribe and like. Florida offers plenty of opportunities for fun and relaxation during the Easter holiday. Naples is an upscale city on the Gulf Coast, is known for its pristine beaches, upscale shopping, and golf courses. Enjoy a leisurely stroll along Naples Pier. Explore the Naples Botanical Garden, or take a scenic boat tour of the nearby islands. St. Augustine is one of the oldest cities in the United States. It is steeped in history and charm. Explore the Castillo de San Marcos. Wander through the cobblestone streets of the historic district. And visit attractions like the Leitner Museum and Flagler College. Sarasota offers a perfect mix of culture and outdoor activities. Visit the John and Mabel Ringling Museum of Art. Relax on Siesta Key Beach, known for its powdery white sand. Or explore the beautiful Marie Selby Botanical Gardens. Fort Lauderdale is sometimes referred to as the Venice of America, due to its extensive canal system. Fort Lauderdale is a popular destination for boating and water activities. Explore the shops and restaurants along Los Olas Boulevard. Relax on Fort Lauderdale Beach. Or take a scenic cruise along the Intracoastal Waterway. Clearwater Beach is known for its crystal clear waters and sugar white sand. It is a top-rated destination for beach lovers. Enjoy water sports like jet skiing and parasailing. Visit the Clearwater Marine Aquarium. Or take a sunset cruise to see dolphins. Key Largo is the gateway to the Florida Keys. Key Largo offers fantastic opportunities for snorkeling, diving, and fishing. Explore the underwater world at John Pennekamp Coral Reef State Park. Go kayaking through the mangroves. Or simply relax and enjoy the laid-back island vibe. Fort Myers is a great destination for nature lovers and history enthusiasts alike. Visit the Edison and Ford Winter Estates to learn about the area's historical significance. Explore the 6-mile Cypress Slough Preserve for a glimpse of Florida's wildlife. Or take a day trip to nearby Sanibel Island for shelling and birdwatching. St. Petersburg is known for its vibrant art scene and beautiful waterfront. It offers plenty of attractions to enjoy. Visit the Salvador Dali Museum. Stroll through the sunken gardens. Or catch a baseball game at Tropicana Field. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Panama City Beach with its pristine beaches and abundance of outdoor activities. It is a popular destination for families and adventure seekers. Spend your days swimming, snorkeling, or paddleboarding in the Gulf of Mexico. Or visit attractions like Gulf World Marine Park and Shipwreck Island Water Park. Amelia Island is located just off the coast of Northeast Florida. The island offers a tranquil escape with its beautiful beaches and charming downtown area. Explore historic sites like Fort Clinch State Park. Go horseback riding along the shore. Or simply relax and enjoy the island's natural beauty. Near Orlando, Florida, you'll find a plethora of attractions and destinations to explore. Here are some top places to visit. Walt Disney World Resort is southwest of Orlando. This iconic theme park destination offers 4 major theme parks: Magic Kingdom, Epcot, Disney's Hollywood Studios, and Disney's Animal Kingdom, T.O. water parks, and numerous resort hotels, providing endless entertainment for visitors of all ages. Universal Orlando Resort is great to experience the magic of movies and television at Universal Studios Florida and Islands of Adventure. Don't miss the wizarding world of Harry Potter, where you can immerse yourself in the enchanting world of Hogwarts and beyond. SeaWorld Orlando, where you can enjoy marine life shows, thrilling rides, and interactive exhibits at this marine theme park. Meet dolphins, penguins, and other fascinating sea creatures while learning about conservation efforts. Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex is located about an hour's drive east of Orlando on Florida's Space Coast. This NASA facility offers a variety of exhibits and experiences, including the Space Shuttle Atlantis exhibit, IMAX films, and the chance to meet astronauts. Disney Springs is a vibrant entertainment district at the Walt Disney World Resort. Features dining, shopping, and entertainment options, including restaurants, live entertainment, and unique boutiques. Gatorland, to experience Florida's wildlife up close at this alligator theme park. Watch thrilling shows, encounter reptiles and other animals, and even zip line over alligator habitats. The Mall at Millenia for upscale shopping. Head to this luxurious mall in Orlando. Browse designer stores, enjoy fine dining, and take in the elegant atmosphere. Orlando Science Center is perfect for families and science enthusiasts. This interactive museum features hands-on exhibits, live demonstrations, and a planetarium. Winter Park is just a short drive from downtown Orlando. Winter Park offers charming boutiques, art galleries, and museums. Take a scenic boat tour on the tranquil Winter Park chain of lakes. Daytona Beach is approximately an hour's drive northeast of Orlando. It is famous for its wide sandy beaches, Daytona International Speedway, and bustling boardwalk. Florida is renowned for its stunning beaches, offering miles of pristine coastline along the Atlantic Ocean and the Gulf of Mexico. Here are some of the best beaches in Florida. Clearwater Beach is located on the Gulf Coast near Tampa. It boasts soft, white sands and clear, turquoise waters. It's perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports like parasailing and jet skiing. Don't forget to subscribe now. Siesta Key Beach is situated near Sarasota on the Gulf Coast. It is famous for its powdery, white quartz sand, which stays cool even on hot days. It's ideal for lounging, swimming, and beach volleyball. South Beach is located in Miami Beach. It is known for its vibrant atmosphere, beautiful people, and Art Deco architecture. It's a hotspot for sunbathing, people watching, and enjoying the lively beach scene. Lovers Key State Park is a secluded beach near Fort Myers. Offers pristine shores and tranquil waters, perfect for swimming, shelling, and wildlife viewing. It's a great spot for kayaking and paddleboarding too. Anna Maria Island is located on Florida's west coast near Bradenton. It boasts uncrowded beaches with sugar white sands and clear waters. It's an ideal destination for a relaxing beach getaway. Pensacola Beach is situated in the Florida Panhandle. It offers powdery white sands and emerald green waters. Visitors can enjoy swimming, snorkeling, and fishing, as well as exploring nearby attractions like Fort Pickens. Bahia Honda State Park is located in the Florida Keys. The state park features picturesque beaches with crystal clear waters and swaying palm trees. It's a paradise for swimming, snorkeling, and kayaking. Grayton Beach State Park is a serene beach along the Gulf Coast near Destin. Offers sugar white sands and pristine waters. It's an excellent spot for swimming, sunbathing, and picnicking amid beautiful natural surroundings. St. Pete Beach. It is situated near St. Petersburg on the Gulf Coast. It boasts wide sandy shores and calm, shallow waters. It's perfect for families, with plenty of opportunities for swimming, shelling, and beachcombing. Amelia Island. It is located in northeast Florida. The island offers uncrowded beaches with golden sands and gentle waves. Visitors can enjoy swimming, surfing, and exploring historic sites like Fort Clinch State Park. These are just a few of the best beaches in Florida, each offering its own unique charm and attractions. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or natural beauty, Florida's beaches have something for everyone. Before you forget, subscribe and like and comment to help me with YouTube's algorithm. In this video, we're embarking on a thrilling exploration of the Sunshine State, Florida.